Hi guys, Cadet Akshat this side from Pacific Marine Academy. So today I am with Khushbu Jhakan. Hello Khushbu.
Hello.
So she is a student of Pacific Marine Academy and she has currently completed her first sale with Maersk Shipping Company. So first of all, congratulations on completing first sale. And she has been currently sponsored from Maersk and with the course of CCMC. And you have completed CCMC from IMI Noida. So let's talk about her experience. How was her experience? How is Maersk and what are the duties she has to perform? So first of all, Khushbu, आप अपने बारे में बताओ. Tell me something about yourself and the viewers as well.
Okay, my name is Khushbu Jhakan and I am from Rajasthan only. And I have completed my CCMC course from Greater Noida. So CCMC mainly stands for Certificate Course in Maritime Catering. So my department is from catering department, and I came from the trainee rank. Now I am going to the next shift as a second.
Okay, so she has completed CCMC course. CCMC is basically for the galley department. If you want to become a chief cook, if you have to as a hobby, you want cooking, so you can join ship as a cook as well. Okay, so that is also very good department. So let's talk about you. पहले तो मर्चेंट नेवी का कैसे पता लगा and how did you decide to join CCMC course only?
Okay. क्योंकि मेरे को पहले से कुकिंग में इंटरेस्ट था और मर्चेंट नेवी में देयर इज वन कजन ब्रदर ऑफ माइन.
Okay.
तो उनके थ्रू मेरे को पता चला हु इज ऑलरेडी एज अ सेकंड इंजीनियर नाउ.
And in which company?
Fleet management.
Fleet management. Okay, very nice.
So उनके थ्रू मेरे को पता चला कि मस्त इंटरव्यू वगैरह चल रहे हैं, तो मैं फिर इंटरव्यू वगैरह देने गई और मेरे को उस टाइम
You got selected. So when was your interview and in which college did you get the interview?
Okay, my interview was in December 2024 in Greater Noida.
Greater Noida. So she gave her interview in IMI Greater Noida and then she got sponsored from Maersk company. Okay, very nice. So Maersk के बारे में कुछ बताओ. How is Maersk of the working culture, about your rest hours and कैसा like if anyone is going for deck department or engine or galley सब पे तीनों के लिए. So how is the working culture as well? Maersk पे क्या रहता है?
Maersk is like working hours is the most important thing. They will not violate your rest hours and all.
Okay, so that is very important thing कि जितने working hours उसी में आपको काम करना है. You don't have to do any extra work. If there is some extra work, you will be getting paid for that also. ठीक है. So working culture is very good. And how is the shipping environment? Because being a girl on ship, so that depends very much, है ना?
So environment was so good as compared to here. The environment was much better than here.
Okay, so she was about to come in 6 months, but she tried to extend her contract by 2 or 3 months. So she finally did 7 months on ship. So you can just imagine how it is safe, how it is much safe for girls to be on ship. So nothing to worry about like that.
It is much safer than the land.
Land, okay, so that is also very good thing. And talking about your salary also, की salary and contract कितने time का रहता है like CCMC के लिए?
So as a trainee, now it was like 6 months contract, and the salary was $823. OT was included in it.
Okay.
As OT is also like we can get extra OT as well.
So as the salary is $823 including the overtime. So monthly around $800 you will get as a trainee. On her first contract she is getting $800. That is a very big thing. And which is the highest rank up to which you can go as a cook?
Like chief cook is the
Chief cook. And what is the maximum salary of a chief cook? कितनी रहती है maximum?
like above $2,000, like approximately $2,500.
Approx $2,500. So that is approximately 2 lakh. 2 lakh से 2.5 lakh के आसपास approximately chief cook की salary रहती है. So that is also very good salary. ठीक है, as compared to land it is very good thing. And इसका process क्या रहता है? Like how do you get into CCMC? क्या करना पड़ेगा इसके लिए?
इसके लिए you have to be like passionate about cooking and all the necessity about like not all of them, but little bit you should know.
Have knowledge of about the cuisines. ठीक है. And इसका like first of all you applied in the college, then you gave a sort of interview for the company, then you got selection. Very nice. So how was your experience on trip? Ship पे कैसा लगा?
शिप का एक्सपीरियंस काफी अच्छा, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा.
Like you have to tell the real side to all the girls watching this video because it will be very useful for them.
7 महीने भी मेरे को ऐसा था कि 7 महीने कब गए पता भी नहीं चला. मेरे को ये था कि मेरे को आना नहीं है इधर घर पे. It was like a home.
Okay, so that was very nice. ठीक है. So a girl is saying this, so it means a lot. ठीक है. बहुत अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट रहता है, डिपेंड्स ऑन द कंपनी, बट मोस्टली आजकल सब शिफ्ट पे जो है एकदम सेफ्टी पॉलिसीज के साथ, वर्किंग कल्चर अच्छे के साथ काम किया जाता है. सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट. बॉयज के लिए तो नहीं है, गर्ल्स के लिए भी कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं है.
No partiality.
नो सेम थिंग. ठीक है, नो पार्शियलिटी, सबके लिए सेम रहता है. ठीक है, काम दोनों को करना पड़ेगा. एंड हाउ मेनी आवर्स यू हैव टू वर्क इन अ डे?
And it depends. In our it is like 1 to 3:30 we have less, but in the tech center they will work till that.
Okay, so CCMC cadets have to work approximately 8 to 10 hours a day. ठीक है, because
We need to prepare a good exam.
they have to prepare the food as well. ठीक है. And one more thing कि जैसे शोर्ट लीव का क्या सीन रहता है यूनिवर्सिटी में? आज जो अगर कुक लाइन में जा रहे हो तो कुक लाइन में शोर्ट लीव कितनी मिलती है, कैसे मिलती है?
जैसे कि मैंने अभी से किया जितनी जगह साउथ अफ्रीका, बाकी जो मैंने
तो कुछ कंट्रीज का बता सकते हो आप कहाँ शोर्ट लीव में आपने?
हाँ, तो सिंगापुर आइलैंड, सिंगापुर, साउथ कोरिया एंड इटली एंड चाइना.
So basically she was on a container ship, frequent ports आते हैं तो short leave हर बार यहाँ मिल जाती है. So that is a very good thing. So last question ही, if anyone wants to go on the deck side या B.Tech side or anything else, who wants to go on commercial engineering, so कैसी preparation करें and like course कहाँ से करना है, and IMCT अगर किसी को देना है, obviously बात है deck और engine के लिए IMCT देना पड़ेगा, तो उसकी preparation देने के लिए anything you want to recommend to other guys?
My cousin sister I sent to the Pacific because I had good review also.
So Pacific के बारे में आपका experience क्या रहा, उसके बारे में कुछ share करना चाहेंगे?
इसमें पैसे अच्छी है, मैंने कितने इधर को कोर्स किया है इसलिए, so I sent my sister as well to there.
Okay, very nice. So she was that much satisfied कि her sister also is now in our batch, is preparing for DNS.
Yes, for them.
Okay, so very nice to you. Anything else you want to tell about the CCNC या marketing में girls के लिए कुछ बोलना है तो?
I will surely say that if someone is like they having hobby of cooking, they can go to merchant.
Definitely, there are many options. Like if anyone is going for hotel management, not finding a job, so CCMC is one of the best options for the cooking department. ठीक है, so you can definitely go for it.
DNS is not much better. If they have this.
If you have PCM, then definitely you can opt for DNS, BSc and B.Tech as well. So thank you so much, Khushbu. It was a very nice time having you. And guys, if you want the preparation for DNS, BSc, B.Tech, AMU's preparation, DNS sponsorship, interview, so you can definitely contact Fastpick Marine Academy on the given number in the description box. And please do visit below. Our new batch has already started. Limited seats are available. So do contact below as soon as possible. Thank you so much, everyone. Hope you guys like this video.